Making a squishy I already have into a paper squishy. The squishy I chose. Time to make it. I cut it out, all taped up. Get some cotton. Last tape. And give it to a friend. Which one do you like more? Paper squishy or normal squishy? Tell me in the comments.